This video covers registering locations in DroneLogbook's inventory section. Whenever you fly in a new location, you'll create it here. Get started by clicking Add Location. Note that if you're importing data from a log file, DroneLogbook will use that data to identify the flight location and will display that location on a map. If it's accurate, simply accept. If not, you'll be taken to this pop-up window to further calibrate the location. Name of location is whatever you want to call it. If this location is assigned to a project, you can enter that here as well for your reference. Clicking into the field will bring up a list of customers you have registered in DroneLogbook. The Notes field is for any private information regarding this location for your own reference. Public information is not for the general public, but rather for those registered under your organization. This can include anything you'd like your personnel to know, from warnings to advice to where a good place to eat nearby is. US regulations require city, latitude, and longitude. You can add latitude and longitude manually, or enter the address in the search bar on the map, click Search, and the fields will auto-populate. Clicking Add will bring you back to the main locations inventory page, where the location will be displayed on the map along with all other saved locations and in the list below with related information. This location will now appear in the drop-down menu when you plan flights. When you choose this location in the Planning Flights section, the number under flights will auto-populate here as you complete flights.